here's number one. We are headed to a market collapse. So if you're buying in Arizona, don't buy with the intent to hold, buy with the intent to flip. What you need to do is not look to build a portfolio at the height of the market. If you build a portfolio at the height of the market and it collapses, it's like buying a house for $200,000 that's going to fall to 150. You're going to lose 50 grand in equity, and you can never cash flow out of that equity, that lost equity position. So right now you got to pay attention to the fact that the market is going to correct and fall back. Odds are high, and what that means is you don't want to buy and hold an investment that you're going to lose money on. What you want to do is you want to buy, renovate, and flip very quickly. If you learn how to buy, renovate, and flip very quickly as the market's headed up, you'll make money, and then when the market corrects back, then you do the same thing. You buy, renovate, and flip quickly. The reason you buy, renovate, and flip quickly is if your market is here, let's say it's at 200, and it's going to correct back to 180, during the time frame that you buy the home, you got to buy that house for 130, and then you got to renovate it for 20, which is 140, and then you got to sell it for 180, which is what it's going to drop to, and that's going to create your margin. Okay, so remember, in a falling market, you have to buy low enough and flip quick enough to be able to mitigate your risk by selling the asset and getting away from the fall. Remember this too, also in a falling market, inventories are greater. Supply will be greater than the demand. So your supply will be high and your demand will be low, i.e. there will be many homes for sale in your area. So you have to be able to buy your house, renovate it, make it the nicest house, and then list it on the market and flip it and get your money out, because you can sell for less than the next guy, get your money out and make your profits. So right now, it's reps. All you do is just like with exercise, as the market's headed up, you buy, you renovate, and you flip quickly so that when the market falls, you can buy, renovate, and flip quickly. Whatever you do, and it sounds like there's a little bit of this in your tone, you're looking for a fixer-upper. Do not do the work yourself in this type of a market. Okay? What you have to do is you have to be able to hire guys who can get in and out of that house extremely fast. And if you're doing it yourself, it'll take you longer to renovate and longer to flip, which the market can catch up with you if you do that.